How to add ChatGPT on WhatsApp. So if you want to add ChatGPT on your WhatsApp, then what you need to do is first you need to go with your ChatGPT number. So the ChatGPT landline number might be 1800, something like that. So what you need to do is just first you need to open up your WhatsApp, or you can just go with your contacts. So I'll just go with WhatsApp. Go with the plus, which is on the bottom right. Tap on new contact, and here go with the phone number. Choose the country code as +1, and then enter the phone number as 800-242-8478. Go with save destination and go with the name, first name and then last name, and tap on save, which is on the bottom. Now go with message, which is on the bottom right, and that's it. Now you can send your messages. So that's how you can have your ChatGPT on your WhatsApp, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.